friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very authentic Mexican tacos. Yes, authentic tacos de carnitas that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these authentic tacos de carnitas, these are the ingredients. Of course, our Mexican Coca-Cola, 1 orange juice, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, salt, half an onion, 1 evaporated milk, 1 cup of orange juice, lard. Here I have pork shoulder, and I have 8 pounds. This is everything you need to make this authentic and delicious taquitos de carnitas de puerco. So let's get started. Well, first I want to start with the pork shoulder. I am going to cut the pieces large. Look at this. We are going to leave behind the extra fat. Leave it in there because these carnitas are going to come out delicious. Once you have everything cut, then let's go to the stove and let's add our manteca, our lard, into the pan. While the lard is getting dissolved and nice and hot, I'm going to continue with my 4 garlic cloves that I'm going to peel, and I am going to dice very finely. Once this is done, I am going to add it directly into the orange juice. I have 1 cup of orange juice. I'm adding my salt. I'm going to cut my half an onion, add it in there, whisk it really good, and then just put aside. Here I have my evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. Of course, don't forget you need your Mexican Coca-Cola because it has the brown sugar cane. Now that we have everything here and ready to go, let's go see if the lard has dissolved and if it's nice and hot. How do you know when it's time to add the pork meat? When you put a wooden spatula inside and it starts bubbling. That's the perfect indication that it is time to start adding the pieces of pork. Take your time, be careful so you don't get burned. You don't have to babysit this recipe. Just add everything in here. After 30 minutes, we'll come back and move it. Here I have my delicious and amazing salad that I am going to use. Look at this. I have all the ingredients right here. I am going to start with the cabbage. I'm going to slice and then cut in very small little pieces. Of course, I'm going to take the center off. But once this is done, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. I have the radishes here that I am going to cut in small little squares. This is what takes longer, but let me tell you, once you make this amazing little salad for your tacos, you are really going to fall in love with it. I have some jalapenos. I'm going to remove the seeds from the center, helping me with the spoon. I'm going to do the same thing for each one. This part is important. If you don't like spicy food, then this part is important. Make sure that you remove all the seeds. And then just dice your jalapenos nice and small. Add everything to the bowl. I have 1 tomato that I'm going to take the seeds off. I'm going to take it off so that there's not too much liquid in this salad. Look at this. I am going to dice it really good. I have my cilantro here. I'm taking the edges off and then I'm ready to dice away. Once you have everything ready, just put everything in a bowl. I have black pepper, Himalaya salt, and the juice of 2 lemons. I am going to add everything in here. Remember, the salt is to taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and the juice of 2 lemons. Once you have everything ready, you are ready to incorporate this amazing salad. Look at this. Cover it and then just put it aside. After 30 minutes, you are ready to move all the pieces of the pork meat, especially from the bottom. You don't want them to start sticking. 30 minutes, and this is the first time that I am moving the pieces of the pork. I'm gonna leave it for another 30 minutes. It's been 1 hour and they are golden brown. This is where the magic begins. Yes, this is where you start adding all those crazy ingredients like the orange juice, garlic, Baileys, the whole orange, the evaporated milk, the Coca-Cola. This is where the magic begins. So here I'm going to start adding. Remember, it's been 1 hour. I'm going to start adding the juice of the orange juice, the lemon, the evaporated milk, onion, garlic, Baileys, and of course the whole orange juice, the whole orange that I'm going to cut in 4 pieces. I'm adding here the Coca-Cola. Remember that the Mexican Coca-Cola has the molasses, so that's why I'm adding the Mexican Coca-Cola. I'm adding the extra orange juice here with the skin and everything. My mouth is watering. If you got to this point of the video and you like and you love this amazing recipe, I invite you to be part of my family. I invite you to subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Please leave me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, with your family, and I am sure you guys are really going to enjoy these amazing tacos de carnitas. Well, after you add everything, lower the heat to medium heat and then cook it for 1 more hour. You're gonna notice that the lard changes color. It's nice and foamy. After 30 minutes, look at this. The lard, it's still like kind of creamy. That's okay. We're gonna cook it for 1 hour. When the hour comes, look at this. The lard is see-through and you could really see the pieces of the carnitas golden brown. Do not babysit this recipe. Of course, I am ready to start getting the pieces out of the lard. I have some paper napkins. I'm putting the pieces right on top. We want to eat delicious Mexican food, but yet if we could avoid a little bit of the greasiness of the carnitas, that's even better. All the oil is going to stay in the paper napkins. This is the way I am going to enjoy these Mexican tacos, carnitas, authentic and delicious. Let me show you. I have the salad. I have the carnitas here nice and crispy. I have, of course, I'm making my homemade tortillas, corn tortillas. This is the way you enjoy a real taco, a real Mexican taco. I have the carnitas here that I'm pulling apart. If you love and you like this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up and be part of my family. And look at this, nice and crispy from the outside, but yet really soft and moist from the inside. I hope you make this recipe. I hope you enjoy this amazing taco at home with your beautiful family. I can't wait to enjoy, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing, authentic tacos de carnitas made at home with lots of love. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Delicious. The carnitas are so crispy from the outside, but yet from the inside they are so moist, and the flavors amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.